Hello, welcome back, and today's video is about planting garlic. This is garlic that I harvested this spring from the season before, from 2019, last year, and it held up really well. We've been eating our own garlic, and it's such a pleasure to have it from our garden all year round. And the garlic is showing a little sprout. It wants to grow. Here it is. So it tells me to plant it, and I'm gonna plant it today. Today is October 29th. We're in Northern California. It's zone 9A. So this is a good time to plant for us. And you have to check your own zones, climate zone, agricultural zone, to figure out when is a good time to plant for you. Garlic is a super easy thing to grow. You don't need anything special to start growing it. Sometimes it starts growing even in your fridge, sending out green shoots. You don't need anything special to start growing it. You can grow it indoors in a little pot, or you can grow it outside in a nice bed, vegetable bed. There are a few rules good to mention, good to remind you, especially for the beginners who think like, damn, how am I gonna plant this thing? Pick out the biggest, fattest garlic you got. If you want bigger cloves and bigger plants, go with the bigger starters. You plant an individual clove, not the whole thing. Individual clove, this is the bottom of it, where the roots will start growing, and this is the top, where the fresh green shoot of the new plant is gonna start growing. When you plant it, you don't have to peel it completely, just enough to be able to separate an individual clove. And if by accident, while separating two, they lose their skins, it's okay too, as long as the bottom remains undamaged, where the roots will grow, it's fine. So a little skin left over on the garlic clove is good. Plant cloves about 4-5 inches apart, so that they have space to grow big and don't elbow each other. And the depth where it's gonna go is gonna about 2 inches deep, so that the whole clove, the bottom of the plant, is going to be covered with dirt.